Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about consolidation. You know, a range-bound market. The market stops moving just when you had a signal to go in, and now nothing. Will it go up or will it go down? You know what I mean. Well, our SMA Auto-Bot strategy detects consolidation areas in response to a filter you set. Hey, and we'll show you how you can do this by using an indicator you already have. Our SMA Auto-Bot displays the consolidation with 3 pink squares. I know, you can change the color. The Auto-Bot calculates the difference between the SMA lines on the last 3 bars prior to a crossover. It does a little math and compares to your filter setting, and whammo, you get 3 pink squares. Now we're going to show you how to set up an indicator you already have to do the same thing. Now, go to NinjaTrader Indicators, double click on Buy Sell Pressure, set upper line to blue and value to 55 line with a width of the line of 2, then set the lower line to blue and a value of 45 with a width line of 2. And that's it. Let's see how it looks. Wow, notice the buy and sell pressure lines completely inside the 2 blue lines. See the circles we're placing? That's consolidation. Super easy. Hey, please note, the chart is a 2000 tick chart and it's on ES. You'll need to change the upper and lower lines if you use a different chart settings. Also, our Auto-Bot paints the pink squares only if there is consolidation at the crossover. But you can see here where we draw the circles pretty close. So next time you're not sure, break out the buy and sell pressure indicator or download our SMA Auto-Bot strategy for a 30-day free trial. And it comes with a comprehensive manual. Just go to barsedgetrader.com or click on the links in the description. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy trading.